We apologize for the sudden interruption to our scheduled programming. However, we have been informed of a life-threatening event that is currently taking place. We've just been informed that this is the final transmission from the BBC. As of a few moments ago, Earth is facing an extreme and unavoidable cosmic event. A massive black hole has entered our region of space and is now near from reaching our planet's position. We urge you now to gather with those you hold dear and spend these remaining moments together. Let this be a time to set aside isolation and fear, and instead recognize the quiet beauty in the connections we share. Even in a moment such as this, humanity shows its capacity for unity, compassion, and grace. We want to express our deepest gratitude for your loyalty and viewership over the many years. It has been an honor to bring you news, entertainment, and the stories that have shaped our shared history. Through moments of joy, uncertainty, and change, you have allowed us into your homes, and for that, we are profoundly thankful. As we face these final moments, we encourage you to gather with those you love and hold them close. Take this time to reflect on the connections, memories, and experiences that define what it means to be human. Even now, there is comfort to be found in togetherness, in kindness, and in the quiet strength we share. We thank you sincerely for watching the BBC, for trusting us, and for allowing us to be a part of your lives. And now, as we prepare to conclude our broadcast for the last time, we will sign off as we once did, with a final playing of God Save the Queen.